Hello everyone, I am Vatika Kandpal from St. Vidya Mandir English High School. Standard 2nd. Subject English. Lesson number 4.7. Topic Let's Speak. Today we are going to do Let's Speak. Children love to go to the park as they enjoy playing with their friends or with all the playing around. Children, you love going to the park, na? Yes, you all love it. The lesson Let's Speak show a picture of a park. I will show a picture of a park to you all, which has to be described by the student in their own words. Then you have to describe it on your own words. Okay, many of the things are already named, which should be read and pronounced correctly. I will show you the picture of the park. Over there they have named many things and you have to speak about it and you have to name the words. Okay, students should learn to frame sentence based on the picture given. There is a picture given to you and there are some question asked on that picture. You have to see that picture carefully and then you have to answer the questions orally by framing your own words. Okay, by your own words. Okay, children, now I will show you the picture of the park. You will enjoy it a lot. Let's see. See, there is a tree, there is a monkey, there is a slide, there are bushes, there is a seesaw, there is an ice cream vendor, there is a jungle gym, there is a swing. Now there is more thing. A girl is riding a bicycle, two men are walking quickly, two ladies are sitting and talking, there are children playing, the ice cream vendor is giving the ice cream to the boy. There are many things. See this picture carefully, children. Then only you will be able to answer the following orally. Okay, you have to only say it orally. I will help you in it, but you also have to answer it. Okay, see the picture carefully. Okay, you all love to go to the park, now children, because we can enjoy ourselves very nicely over there. No, children? Now we will do some question orally based on this picture. See the first one. Do you go to a park? If you go to the park, you will say yes, I go to the park. And if you don't go, you will say no, I do not go to a park. Okay, children? Now the second one. What do you play with? Tell me, children. When you go to the park, you will play with? Yes. You will say I play with a football or a cricket, or you even can say I play on the slides and swings, or even you can say I play hide and seek with my friends. Yes, na children? Yes. Now the third one. Do you buy an ice cream? Tell me. Do you buy ice cream when you go to the park? If you buy ice cream, you will say yes, I buy ice cream in the park. Or if you don't buy it, you will say no, I do not buy ice cream. Okay, because I get a coach. Now the fourth one. Can you ride a bicycle? If you know how to ride a bicycle, you will say yes, I ride very well. Or you can say I do not have a bicycle. Or you even can say I am learning a bicycle. Just now I do not know how to ride it. Okay, children, it is fun now. Now the next one. Do you like to walk on a lawn? What you will say? Lawn is a land covered with grass. Okay, you will say yes, I'll remove my shoes and run on the lawn in the garden. Or you can say no, I like to play game like cricket and football. Okay, now we will do some activity based on it. Okay, there will be a fill in the blanks and you have to do it. Look at the picture given on the textbook, page number 61, and fill in the blanks choosing the correct ing word. You have to add ing. Okay children, remember it. Now the first one, the ice cream vendor is dash ice cream to a boy. Okay, you have to remember that picture. Children, please remember that picture nicely. The second one, the monkey is dash on the tree. The girl is dash a bicycle. The boy is dash exercise on a jungle gym. Then the fifth one, two girls are dash on the swing. Then the sixth one, two men are dash quickly. You have to add ing over there and you have to write the answers. If you have seen the picture carefully, then only you will be able to answer these fill in the blanks. Okay, remember children, can you remember what was the ice cream vendor doing in that picture? Yes, answer me children. You have seen that picture now children? What was the ice cream vendor doing? Can you tell me? See the picture? Children, you see the picture very carefully. Then only you will be able to answer. Yes. The ice cream vendor is selling the ice cream to a boy. What the ice cream vendor is doing? Selling the ice cream. The monkey is dash on the tree. The monkey was jumping or sitting? Yes, the monkey was sitting on the tree. Very good children. The girl is dash a bicycle. Is driving or riding? Tell me. Yes, the girl is riding a bicycle. The boy is doing exercise on the jungle gym. What the boy is doing? Exercise. Okay. Two girls are dash on the swing. What the girls are doing? The two girls are playing. What are they doing? They are not quarreling. Quarreling means fighting. They are playing on the swing. Very good. Now the last one. Two men are dash quickly. They are running or walking in the picture. Children, tell me. What were they doing? Tell me. Yes. They were walking. They were walking. The two men were walking quickly. Very good. Now write all this, fill in the blanks in your English notebook and complete your workbook also. Thank you children.